Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Hagstrom from A Shop for Smiles, and I wanted to go over the proper use of gloves and masks as we're going out and about, out in public with our personal protective gear. First off, be sure to wash your hands first. We do the full 20 seconds and just keep scrubbing things together underwater for our 20 seconds. Make sure the water runs over everything, and the best type of soap to use is the type that foams, okay? So I know we know all this already. And I always put my gloves on first before I put my mask. I'm cleaning my hands first before I'm touching the mask. And the biggest thing is to get your hands very dry before you even attempt to put the gloves on. Otherwise, they're not gonna go on. I cheat a little bit and put some of the hand sanitizer on as well, because the alcohol in that hand sanitizer helps dry my hands. Okay, and then I can put my gloves on a little quicker. So give it a little while, but make sure your hands are dried first before you try and put the gloves on. Otherwise, the gloves are just not going to go on, and then you're going to waste a set of gloves, or you're going to get frustrated. So then, when you take the gloves, just take it from the side, you know, from the wrist area. Slide your fingers in. One glove at a time. And pull it up over, you know, if you have a watch. You know, some people are saying don't even wear watches or jewelry anymore. So that's your choice as well. The next thing is to take the mask. Most masks are the ear loop that we have. So I'm just going to show you this. And there's a little bend, there's a metal part of the top for your nose, so make the bend in it, put it over your nose, and pull it back over your ears, and then gently slide it underneath your chin and adjust your nose piece there. If you make this tight, then it's not going to fog up if you have glasses and things like that. So now, we've got gloves, clean mask, and then go about your business. Now, what happens is, as soon as you touch something that is potentially contaminated or dirty, then change your gloves, okay? Don't touch something and then go to your computer keyboard and start working, because you're just gonna take what's on that counter and put it on your computer, and that's not a good idea. The next thing is, once you've touched something with your hands, don't be touching your mask and adjusting it, because then you're gonna get all this stuff all over your face. They say don't touch your face. Well, nice thing about a mask is you can't touch your face, but you can still touch the mask. Breathing in, coming in contact with people, this mask is going to get dirty here. So you don't want to be putting it down under your chin. You don't want to be touching it and putting, adjusting your hair. Just keep this clear, okay? And then as soon as this gets wet from maybe talking, or you feel like it's, you've been in contact with somebody, then just take it off gently from the sides and throw it away, okay? Another way would be to take your gloves off first, and then you can take it off. And I just wrap my gloves in like this together, and I throw those away. Because the one thing, the reason I'm doing this video is that I'm seeing these gloves and masks just strewn all over the street, littered. And it's not safe for that to happen. We need to dispose of, put things on properly. We also need to dispose of them properly as well. So hopefully this was helpful from A Shop for Smiles.